Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I have on the Can't Be Tamed that I'm gonna have to take off. But today I am doing Cloud 9. So this is supposedly from hemp derived lashes. Let me see. There's a thin cotton lash band. Looking at it from above, it looks so cute. So I can't wait to put it on. So let's put them on. Oh my gosh. You guys, I feel like I picked all the nice lashes. Look how cute. Let's go in with a close-up. You guys see how cute they are? They're so cute. I love them. I love the style of them. I did have to tweak them up a little bit because they're very curly by the band. So since I put them on underneath, it's like putting but I had to grab them from the tip and then kind of go down and then up to put some of them on because some are curlier than others. There are some, I don't know, it could have been just them being delivered or wherever they're stored, I don't know, but some of them have like this super bent look, so I did take off some of them because they just made them look a little bit fake. But plucking, it's just very few, it's not a lot, so it's not going to ruin the style or anything. But I did have to put, like, from the ends, I did have to put them like more to the right on each end or left, but you know, just more in, so there's some space right here because when I put them towards the very ends, like very close to them, they looked like they were like drooping. So I'm sure like if you put them on the top they won't be a problem, but for putting them underneath they droop if you put them too much towards the outside. So I did go like a millimeter, I want to say. There's some space. I don't know if you guys can tell from here to here. You can see my natural lash right here. I don't know if you really can, but yeah, there's I had to do that, or it was like drooping. I'm sure if I would have like if I would have curled it with my eyelash curlers, it probably would have stayed. But I was like, really didn't want them to look droopy, so I just put them, you know, off. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, shocking. These lashes are super fluffy too. The band is thick but not too thick. They're just a little bit on the hard side to put on just because of that curl. Definitely another one of my top 10s or top 20 lashes. As I was putting them on, I was like, OMG, these are just cute. Like Velour is not failing me right now. So I really cannot wait to get more lashes, but I do have a few more to review and put on. So that's it for the video. I do have my referral code down in the description. That'll get you $15 off on your order for $50 or more. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.